Welcome back Bike Future Hub. The 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250 is a bike that perfectly balances retro aesthetics with modern performance, for riders who love the minimalist design of a cruiser but also crave the agility and power of a smaller engine. The Bolt 250 is the answer. It brings an aggressive yet approachable style with cutting-edge technology, making it an ideal choice for both new and experienced riders. Today, we'll dive deep into everything this bike has to offer, from its exterior design to its performance and everything in between. So, let's rev up and get started. Looking at the front of the 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250, the bike immediately grabs your attention with its clean lines and bold stance. The round headlamp, which is iconic for this cruiser style, gives it a timeless feel. The fork design is robust, with chrome accents that add an extra layer of sophistication to the front end. The front fender is short and sleek, just the right size to provide enough protection while keeping the look minimal and modern. With its low-set front, the Bolt 250 feels confident, strong, and ready for the road. Moving to the side of the bike, the Yamaha Bolt 250 really shows off its custom cruiser design. The tank is nicely sculpted, offering both style and functionality. It's designed to fit snugly against the rider, making it easier to handle at lower speeds. The minimalist design is amplified with simple, clean lines that give the bike a very classic look. The exhaust pipe, while not overly large, has a unique shape and tone that is unmistakable for any cruiser fan. The rear swing arm has a sturdy build that's perfect for this type of motorcycle, ensuring a smooth ride and added durability. At the rear, the Yamaha Bolt 250 keeps up its retro appeal. The tail section is short and compact, complementing the overall aggressive and uncluttered vibe of the bike. The LED taillight is round, just like the front headlamp, contributing to that vintage cruiser charm. The seat is wide and comfortable, designed to provide maximum comfort for long rides, and it's positioned low, giving the rider an optimal riding posture that adds to the overall cruiser experience. The rear fender keeps the bike looking neat and tidy, contributing to its clean, classic aesthetic. Now, let's talk about the heart of the Yamaha Bolt 250, its engine. The bike is powered by a 249cc single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that delivers a balanced combination of power and efficiency. It's not about raw horsepower here but rather about offering just enough punch to make the ride exciting without overwhelming a beginner or intermediate rider. The engine produces around 20 horsepower, which is more than sufficient for daily commutes, weekend getaways, or cruising around town. The fuel injection system ensures smooth throttle response and optimal fuel efficiency, making it perfect for those looking to save at the pump while still enjoying the freedom of the open road. The performance of the Yamaha Bolt 250 is where this bike truly shines. It's designed to provide a smooth and comfortable ride. Thanks to its low seat height and well-balanced chassis, the bike handles corners with ease, and its suspension system, which includes telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, ensures that you experience minimal bumps even on rough terrain. The ride quality is perfect for city streets and open highways alike, providing just enough stability while still feeling nimble when maneuvering tight spaces. The clutch and gear shift are smooth, making it easy to shift without any hassle. If you're looking for a bike that gives you that unmistakable cruiser feel with modern performance, the Bolt 250 nails it. As for the pricing, the 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250 is positioned as a mid-range bike. With its competitive pricing, it offers incredible value for the features it provides. In most markets, you can expect the Bolt 250 to be priced around $4,500. This makes it a very accessible option for riders looking for a cruiser that doesn't break the bank but still offers great build quality and performance. In conclusion, the 2025 Yamaha Bolt 250 is a great choice for anyone seeking a stylish, easy-to-handle cruiser with modern tech. From its eye-catching retro exterior to its reliable and efficient engine, this bike proves that you don't need a massive engine to enjoy an exhilarating ride. Whether you're a beginner looking to get your first cruiser or an experienced rider seeking something that is both fun and practical, the Yamaha Bolt 250 checks all the boxes. So, if you're looking for a bike that combines classic design with modern performance, the Bolt 250 might just be the one you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Future Hub for more reviews and updates on the latest bikes.